This isn't just a convertible, this is a hand-built British V12 masterpiece that once ruled the six-figure luxury world. And today it's sitting at just $34,995, 5.9 liters. 12 cylinders, the top drops, the exhaust sings, and suddenly every drive feels like a James Bond opening scene. This is the 2007 Aston Martin DB9 Volante, and you're not ready for how good this sounds. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love rare luxury, timeless design, and cars that make every mile feel like an event, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because today we're stepping into a world where elegance meets raw power, where craftsmanship isn't rushed, and where every detail whispers exclusivity. This is not just a convertible, this is a statement. This is the 2007 Aston Martin DB9 Volante. Take a second and really look at it. That dark blue exterior doesn't scream for attention, it commands it quietly. This is the kind of color that looks refined in the shade and absolutely breathtaking in the sun, where the curves of the DB9 seem to melt into the light. Aston Martin didn't design this car to follow trends. They designed it to outlast them. Long hood, short rear deck, perfectly balanced proportions. This car looks just as powerful parked as it does flying down the road. Now let's talk about what lives under that sculpted hood, because this is where the soul of the DB9 Volante truly lives. A naturally aspirated 5.9 liter V12 engine, no turbos, no superchargers, just 12 cylinders breathing freely, delivering power the way luxury Grand Tourers were always meant to. This engine isn't about brutal launches or screaming red lines. It's about effortless acceleration, smooth power delivery, and a sound that feels handcrafted. When you press the throttle, the V12 doesn't shout, it sings. Deep, refined, unmistakably Aston Martin, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission featuring push-button controls and paddle shift sport mode. This DB9 gives you the choice between relaxed cruising and engaged driving. In normal mode, it glides smooth, calm, composed. Switch into sport mode, grab the paddles, and suddenly the car feels alive in your hands, responding instantly, pulling confidently, reminding you that beneath all this luxury is a machine built to move. This particular example shows just 57,637 actual miles, which means it's been driven enough to be enjoyed but not worn out. The sweet spot for a grand touring Aston Martin. This isn't a garage queen that's afraid of the road. This is a car meant to be driven, heard, and felt. And because this is the Volante, the experience doesn't stop at performance. Press a button and the power convertible top disappears, transforming the DB9 into something even more special. With the top down, the V12 soundtrack surrounds you, the sky opens up, and suddenly every drive feels cinematic. Morning coastal cruises, late night city drives, sunset highways. This car turns all of them into moments you remember. Step inside and you're immediately reminded that Aston Martin builds cars differently. The cabin is wrapped in leather, not just placed there but tailored. The heated leather seats provide comfort without sacrificing support, perfect for long distance touring or short spirited drives. Everything you touch feels deliberate, from the steering wheel to the controls to the way the doors close with that solid, expensive click. You've got air conditioning and cruise control for effortless cruising, power seats to dial in your perfect driving position, power windows, mirrors, and locks, all integrated seamlessly. This is luxury without clutter. Addition, even the tilt steering wheel adjusts to you, not the other way around. The suspension remains factory style, which means Aston Martin's original balance between comfort and handling is preserved. This car doesn't punish you over rough roads. It absorbs imperfections while still staying planted, confident, and composed. Four-wheel power disc brakes provide strong, predictable stopping power, reminding you that performance and safety go hand in hand here. Rolling on 19-inch factory-style wheels, the DB9 Volante maintains its original design intent. Elegant, purposeful, timeless. Nothing flashy, nothing excessive, just perfect proportion. Inside, the sound system includes a CD player and AM/FM radio, because this era of Aston Martin was about driving first, distraction second. And honestly, with a V12 soundtrack like this, you won't miss modern gimmicks. Now let's talk value, because this is where the story gets even more interesting. At $34,995, you're looking at a hand-built British V12 convertible that once cost well into six figures. This was a car designed for executives, collectors, and enthusiasts who wanted something rarer than the obvious choices. Today, it represents one of the most compelling entries into true exotic luxury ownership. This isn't just about owning a car, it's about owning a feeling. The feeling when you walk up to it, the feeling when people stop and stare, the feeling when you start it and the V12 comes to life, the feeling when you realize you're driving something that was never meant to be ordinary. The 2007 Aston Martin DB9 Volante is elegance without arrogance, performance without chaos, and luxury without excess. It's for someone who appreciates craftsmanship, heritage, and the kind of driving experience that modern cars simply don't replicate anymore. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most beautiful Grand Tours ever made, make sure you like the video, drop a comment, and once again, subscribe to the channel. More rare, cinematic, high-end cars are coming very soon, and you don't want to miss what's next.